Welcome to Nynch, the AI-powered CRM built for modern sales teams. Let me show you how to add a new contact in just a few clicks. First, click on Contacts in the sidebar to open your contact list. Now click the New Contact button at the top of the page. Enter the contact's name. This is the only required field. Add their job title so you know who they are at a glance. Add their email address for outreach and communication tracking. Click Create Contact, and you are done. The contact is now in your CRM. That's it. Your new contact is saved in your CRM. From here, you can track every interaction, add them to outreach campaigns, enrich their profile with AI, and manage the entire relationship in one place.